Did you know that coconut oil is often touted as a health food? It's true. Many people believe that it can do everything from helping you lose weight to boosting your brain power. But is coconut oil really the miracle cure that some people claim it to be? In recent years, coconut oil has exploded in popularity. People add it to their coffee, smoothies, and even their cooking. But are these claims about its health benefits backed up by science? Or is this just another case of clever marketing? In this exploration of coconut oil, we'll take a closer look at the science behind the hype. We'll examine the potential benefits and drawbacks of this popular oil. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of whether coconut oil deserves a place in your diet. Coconut oil is a type of fat that is extracted from the meat of coconuts. It is a highly saturated fat, meaning that it is solid at room temperature. Coconut oil has a distinct coconut flavor and aroma. It is often used in cooking, baking, and even as a beauty product. There are two main types of coconut oil, refined and unrefined. Refined coconut oil has been processed to remove impurities and has a neutral flavor. Unrefined coconut oil, also known as virgin coconut oil, is extracted from fresh coconuts and has a stronger coconut flavor. Coconut oil is made up of fatty acids. The most abundant fatty acid in coconut oil is lauric acid. Lauric acid is a medium-chain fatty acid, or MCFA. MCFAs are absorbed and metabolized differently than other types of fat. Proponents of coconut oil claim a wide range of health benefits, making it a popular choice among health enthusiasts. Some of the most popular claims include weight loss, improved digestion, increased energy levels, and even protection against Alzheimer's disease. These benefits have made coconut oil a staple in many health-conscious households. Coconut oil is believed to boost metabolism and reduce appetite, leading to weight loss. Many people incorporate it into their daily routines, adding it to their coffee or using it in cooking. Its unique combination of fatty acids is said to promote a feeling of fullness, which can help curb overeating and snacking between meals. This could potentially help people consume fewer calories, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Tracking calorie intake and being mindful of portion sizes are essential components of a successful weight loss journey. Advocates also suggest that coconut oil's antimicrobial properties can improve gut health. By incorporating it into their diet, individuals hope to enhance their overall well-being. They propose that it may combat harmful bacteria and promote the growth of beneficial gut flora, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. This, in turn, could lead to better digestion and nutrient absorption, allowing the body to make the most of the food consumed. Furthermore, coconut oil enthusiasts highlight its potential to enhance brain function. They believe that incorporating it into their diet can have cognitive benefits. They point to the way MCFAs are metabolized in the liver, producing ketones. These ketones can serve as an alternative energy source for the brain. Ketones can act as an alternative energy source for the brain, potentially improving memory and cognitive function. This has led to increased interest in coconut oil as a natural supplement for brain health. Section 4. The science behind the hype, MCTs, and lauric acid. Much of the buzz surrounding coconut oil centers around its unique fatty acid profile, particularly its high concentration of medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These MCTs are a type of fat that is more easily digested and utilized by the body compared to other fats. These MCTs, including lauric acid, are metabolized differently than long-chain fatty acids found in most other fats. The unique structure of MCTs allows them to be absorbed more quickly and efficiently. Unlike long-chain fatty acids that are stored as fat in the body, MCTs are rapidly absorbed and transported to the liver. This quick absorption means that MCTs can be used almost immediately for energy. In the liver, they are converted into energy or ketones. Ketones are an alternative energy source that can be used by the brain and muscles, making them particularly beneficial for those on a ketogenic diet. This rapid conversion to energy is why coconut oil is often linked to increased energy levels and improved athletic performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts may find MCTs helpful for sustaining energy during workouts. Lauric acid, the most abundant MCT in coconut oil, has garnered attention for its potential antimicrobial and antiviral properties. This means it might help in fighting off infections and keeping the body healthy. Some studies suggest that lauric acid can kill harmful bacteria and viruses, potentially boosting the immune system. This could make coconut oil a valuable addition to a health-conscious diet. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings in humans. While preliminary studies are promising, it's important to approach these claims with cautious optimism and await further scientific validation. Section 5. The jury is still out. Research on coconut oil's health effects. While the potential benefits of coconut oil sound promising, it's important to note that the scientific evidence supporting these claims is mixed. Some studies have shown positive effects of coconut oil on certain health markers, while others have found little or no benefit. For instance, some small studies have linked coconut oil consumption to modest weight loss and reduced belly fat. However, these studies were often short-term and involved small sample sizes. More robust, long-term studies are needed to confirm these findings. Similarly, while some research suggests that coconut oil may improve cholesterol levels, the results are inconsistent. Some studies show that coconut oil can raise both good HDL cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol, making it difficult to determine its overall impact on heart health. Section 6. To oil or not to oil? Weighing the pros and cons. So, should you be adding coconut oil to your diet? This is a question that many health enthusiasts and nutrition experts have debated over the years. The answer, like most things in nutrition, is not so simple. It requires a nuanced understanding of both the benefits and the potential risks. While coconut oil does offer some potential health benefits, it also comes with some drawbacks. It's important to weigh these carefully before making it a staple in your diet. On the positive side, coconut oil is a source of healthy fats and can add flavor to your meals. These healthy fats can be beneficial for your overall health. It may also offer some benefits for weight management, brain health, and gut health. Some studies suggest that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil can help with these aspects. However, it's essential to consume coconut oil in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Overconsumption can lead to negative health outcomes. On the downside, coconut oil is high in saturated fat, which can raise LDL cholesterol levels if consumed in excess. High LDL cholesterol is a risk factor for heart disease. It's also important to note that many of the health claims associated with coconut oil are not fully supported by scientific evidence. More research is needed to confirm these benefits. In conclusion, while coconut oil can be a part of a healthy diet, it should be used thoughtfully and in moderation. Always consider the bigger picture of your overall dietary habits and health goals. Section 7. Your coconut oil journey. Start slowly and listen to your body. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to include coconut oil in your diet is a personal one. If you're considering adding coconut oil to your diet, it's best to start slowly and see how your body responds. Pay attention to any changes in your digestion, energy levels, or overall well-being. Remember that coconut oil is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to a healthy diet. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Have you tried incorporating coconut oil into your diet? What were your experiences? Share your thoughts in the comments below.